work. The work done by a constant force is defined as the product of the force in the direction of the displacement and the magnitude of the displacement. Work is of three types depending on the angle between the force vector and the displacement vector. 1. Positive work, 2. Negative work, and 3. Zero work. Positive work. Work done is said to be positive if the applied force is in the direction of the displacement. Examples: 1. Work done by gravity if a body falls towards the earth. 2. Work done by a horse pulling a cart. Negative work. Work done is said to be negative if the applied force is in a direction opposite to that of displacement. Examples: 1. Work done by the braking force when brakes are applied to a vehicle. Work done by the force of gravity when a body is projected away from the surface of the earth. Zero work. Work done is said to be zero if the applied force is zero or displacement is zero, or the angle between the displacement and force is 90 degrees. Example: 1. Work done by the tension in the string of a simple pendulum. 2. Work done by centripetal force